Hello friends, how is it going? I hope all is well. In this video, I want to tell you how to add a color on this Rubik's Cube. Okay, um, I want to change the main color to black. Okay, and I want to add a color like green, red, white, and other. And okay, the first step is click on the cube, go to the edit mode, go to the edit mode. Okay, select faces white. Select the faces you want to add a color. Don't forget to change the selected mode to face. Okay, like this, and click new add material slope, and click assign and new. I want to add orange like this. Okay, and I want to add this faces color to blue. Select, and add materials load, assign, and new. And I want to change the color to blue like this. Okay, and I want to change this to white. So like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, and material slot, assign, and new. Okay, this is white color. Okay, like this. Wow, it's cool. Wow, you can add the color of the back, the cube. Like this is the red, and this is green. Like this. Wait, like this. Add material slot, assign new, change to red, like this. Wait, um, oh, this material. I uh, add assign new and white. Okay, like this, and we can add this also. Okay, look at this. The Rubik's Cube already finished, and in the next video, I want to tell you how to add a background. Okay, to the scenes. Okay, I think that's all I can say. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And goodbye.